Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I am visit to the Dubai. This is the Dubai Park and city Dubai, and you see big tower in Burj Khalifa is sister. Burj Khalifa sister is my left side and Burj Khalifa. This is the road is very clean, saaf suthra, and he is my friend in Dubai Arab. This is Arab. Very well done. It's a very good country is Dubai. You see my behind scene in the park, very good, and Jula Baranjana Davada. And why? This is Sai Wakhar is coming to Dubai to land in the airport of the Pakistan city, in the country of the beauty in the city. So I am very happy today, and I am visit to the Dubai. So can be see you too does not is IF in the country. So I began very last day in the Dubai airport in the Pakistan today. Thank you very much.